welcome back to your channel Bowerspace. I hope you all are doing good. You are seeing me after a very long gap of I think about 6 months. I have been extremely busy doing different things and with a lot of other engagements at home. But here I am finally with a video on this occasion of Diwali and to wish every single one of you a very happy and a prosperous Diwali from me and my family. Well, I have kind of done a very last minute Diwali preparation. So I couldn't really make a video on how to do last minute preparation, but I will share with you or I'll show you my home decor in a way that it will not only inspire you, but it will give you some really wonderful ideas on how you can do your preparation. So without much delay, let's get started. Well, like you can see, my living room has two parts to it. The first part, which is the dining room, and the second part, which is the main living room. Now, the furniture is pretty coordinated, but this painting really separates the aesthetics of the living room from the dining room. So I decided to give a completely different look to the dining area and a completely different look to the living area, but trying to make both of them synchronized. Let me show you how. Before I start decorating my rooms, I have always found it useful to decide which places need decorating, what is the theme or color combination I want to use, and can I make the decor simple and functional. In my living room, I generally decorate on this console and to some extent on the dining table. It is always a good idea to go by a certain color combination. The best way to do that is to go for a centerpiece that is the highlight of the decor. My centerpiece was this beautiful tablecloth from Fab India that was a gift from a very close friend. Since it is in a turquoise green and brass combination, I decided to use this beautiful candle holder. To make it stand out, I have used a placemat that complements the tablecloth. Next, I decided to change these paintings that were not going very well with my theme. I used this applique wall hanging to give a well color coordinated look to this area. The console table decoration involves a light color table runner that can highlight the rest of the decor. The golden placemat highlights the area with a festive look. You must have seen this Ganesh idol in my last year's Diwali decoration video. Even for this year, this idol suited this area perfectly. These candles are the perfect color and they come with this golden design, suiting this setup just so perfectly. To give the candles a lift, I placed the golden lids under the candle itself. You can otherwise use coasters to give your candles a nice lift. Once this area started taking some shape, it was time to synchronize with the living room area. And guess what? Because the colors match with the living room painting, I decided to place these red and yellow flower vases. They did a very good job of adding a pop of color to the monotone and creating a coordinated look with the living room. Moving on, I wanted to do something more festive to this corner. Well, I took off the existing painting and replaced it with a more traditional Madhubani, adding some string light and this flower vase added to the festivity. With the bright red and yellow cushion covers in the background, it makes the getup of the room totally Indian, totally festive. Though we did not do anything to the bedrooms for a decor this year, we sure created this beautiful reading corner in our study room. Adding elements from Indian handicrafts and all the vibrant colors that represent my country, this place sure has added a lot of festivity to our home this year. Well friends, I really hope you liked the simple decor ideas that I showed you today. I hope it comes handy to you if you are doing the last minute decor. With the hope that I will post more videos in the future, and with the hope that you will have a safe and a prosperous Diwali. Bye bye.